Hi traders, want to start forex trading? The first step is open to an account with a safe and trusted broker, and Exness is the best choice for that. In this video, we will learn how to open an Exness account and complete verification process very easily. Let's see the whole process. I am showing on this computer, but the process is exactly same on your mobile. Stick around till the end. You don't want to miss anything. Now let's see how to open an Exness account. First, click on the link given in the video description. After clicking, you will land on this page. The interface will look the same on both desktop and mobile. Once your account is verified, you can log in into Exness trading app and Exness copy app using the same ID password. First, click on register button. Create an account will be selected. Choose your country. Then set a strong password. The password must meet the following requirement: between 8 to 15 characters, at least one uppercase and one lowercase, at least one number, at least one special character, and make sure the checkbox is ticked. Then click continue. This is an Exness web trading platform. Click on 9 dots and click on personal area. After that, you will come to this page. That's it, your personal area has been created. Before starting trading, account verification is mandatory. Let's see how to do it. Click on continue profile. Click on complete profile. First, you need to verify your email address and your phone number. Click here, get started now. A verification code has been sent to your email. Enter that code here. Once entered, your email will be verified. Next, phone verification. Click confirm phone. Enter your phone number and continue. You will receive a 6-digit code on your mobile. Enter that code here. Email and phone number verification completed. Click complete now. Add profile information. Fill in all your details accurately. First name, last name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, your residential address. Fill everything correctly and click the continue button. Exness asks some survey questions here, which are not mandatory. So answer them as you like and continue. Click verify identity now. Here you need to verify your document. Check that your name is correct. Then click upload document. Under data use agreement, tick the box and click submit document. Select your country. Choose your document. You want to verify with passport, driving license. Upload your documents front and back page and click and submit document. Your document will be under review. Usually verification is complete within 10 minutes, but in some case it may take up to 24 hours. After 10 minutes, you will get an email. Your identification document has been verified. Go to personal area, click setting. Your account status fully verified. Now you are ready to deposit. Mobile banking, Visa, MasterCard, crypto. My pick. Crypto is fast, easy and safe. Let's see open real or demo trading account. Dashboard, open account. Click here. Select standard account and continue. Select demo or real. Select currency, nickname, anything you like. You can change it. Choose leverage, platform MT4 or MT5. I select MT4. Trading password, create account. Now you have your trading ID and your server info. Login into MT4 or MT5, start demo or live trading. Remember, practice is the key to success in Forex. Some tips: don't trade large amount on a real account without verification. Practice before real trading. Use a strong password. Fill in accurate personal info. So friends, in today's video we learn how to open and verify an Exness account. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. See you the next video.